basketball season. If it's not college, it's golf. If it's movies, it's phones, that device. Deception and distraction. Those are two of his greatest strategies, and he's using them to the hilt. That's why we've got to say this word like never before. Verse 12, Paul ends this section of his letter perfectly to me. He says, now we see things imperfectly, like a puzzle, reflections in a mirror, but then one day we're going to see everything with perfect clarity. All that I know now is partial, it's incomplete, but then I will know everything completely, just as God knows me completely. Paul says we see in a glass dark. Talking about the kind of mirrors they had back in their day was a polished brass, and it's hard to see yourself in brass. But our mirrors today are a little bit better. They're a little bit better. You get a better picture, but it's not a complete picture.
Right.
It's not the full picture. It's just a reflection of who you are. But if you really want to see yourself, if you really want to know what you like, ask God to show you yourself.
You better know it. There he is. That's it right there.
If you got the courage to ask God. I remember a friend of mine told me some time ago, he asked God to show him himself. And he had a dream. And he said he was looking in the mirror. And he saw the ugliest mouse.
Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And I remember when he told me, I said, wow, I'm never not gonna ask God to show me. I won't ask God because I know me. I know my struggles. I know my picadillos, as Bishop Gates likes to say. I know the areas that I need to work on. That's what I know. But imagine what God knows, the things that I don't know. The potential evil, the potential wickedness. But someday we got to get that courage. Show me myself. Verse 13 is the last verse. Paul says, love supersedes all of these gifts. Until then, there are three things that remain: faith, hope, and love. Faith is something that we need in order, if we're going to get something from God. You need faith. He said, these that come to me, must believe
that he is.
And that he is a rewarder of those who do what?
Diligently seek him.
That's where the transformation comes in.
Yeah.
Diligently seeking them. Faith and hope. Hope we need because hope gives us the ability to expect from God. Hope gives us the ability to expect about our future.
Yes.
Hope gives us the ability that God is there. Yes. The Bible tells us in the book of Hebrews that God's hoping in God is our anchor. Yes. Because I can put my hope in man.
Right.
I can't put my hope in flesh. I can't put my hope in myself. Yes. Hope and faith are vital in our life, spiritually and naturally. We walk by faith, we hope in God, but all we need in eternity is love. Yes, God is love, and love is God. God bless you so much.
Man.
Praise the Lord to everybody.
Praise the Lord.
I am Elder Mike Wilson, First Assistant ICA to Deacon Gene Claxton. We ended a lot shorter than I thought we would. I think this is over at 3:30. I'm not mistaken. 3 o'clock. Okay, well, great. Well, that's perfect. That's fine. Okay. So I'm so used to a podium here. But I do have a few things that I want to explain. Do you have this in your handout? That sheet right there?
Yes.
Everybody get that. Get that sheet, please. You need extra. I think we can practice right Why the power of love in ministry? Why were we talking about love? We offer one of close to 40 classes, ICEA. Bishop Gates, a few years ago, he gave us a mandate And let me see if I can find the letter here. He wanted all of the auxiliaries to not just have seminars once a year or twice a year for the midwinter and the national, but he wanted us to reach out to the different councils, the different churches. And so every auxiliary was to be creative in doing that. And so ICEA, the International Christian Education Auxiliary, we decided to offer sessions because you know what? We're Christian education.
Right.
That is my lane. That's about all I know, all I'm going to do. And so we offer now 40 classes to you, free sessions. Now, well, how would you get those sessions? Well, we can't come to where you are, but thank God we have Zoom now.
Right.
So we offer over 40 sessions. Now, we did have a handout that we were going to give you. Do you have that? Preparing the church for sound instruction?
Yes.
Okay, look at that packet too as well. And take a look at some of the classes that we offer. Just take a moment out. And so this is, I think, 38 classes here. If there's an interest at your council, at your local church, if you get with your pastor and say, hey, this is one class or two classes or 7 classes that I would suggest as an educator or teacher or just a member, and see if your pastor has an interest in, one of these classes that we offer. And if they do, contact us and we will set up a Zoom sessions. They're all 1-hour classes. And so that's where ICEA is. Now, we don't have one teacher teaching 38 classes. But if you look in the back of this packet, I think you have instructors' names. And some of those names I'm sure that you're familiar with. We have Lady Bell on prayer. We have a few of the bishops in our organization. So we're reaching out nationally to instructors to offer these classes. This is an invitation to you. I hope that you will accept it, be a part of it. Now, currently, it's really in its infancy, and we're offering them now on Thursdays, but it's not really heard of anything. So if you want to be a part of those sessions, we do offer. I have a packet here that we did give copies of that's telling you every Thursday what class we offer. Now, the one you have doesn't have, the weeks that we offer. But tune in. I'm not sure if we're going to have it. Yeah, we're not going to have it this Thursday, of course. But the following Thursday we'll offer it. All right, so that's what ICEA is doing. Also, I think you have a packet here where we give you the program. So if you'll take a look at that. And at the bottom of the program, you'll notice all of the call-in times. If you're on Zoom, just simply tap in the Zoom number, put in the access code, and you're there. How many have heard of our Saturday night Sunday school? Just curious. Okay, so we are offering Saturday night Sunday school as well, and we have instructors from around the country who teach these classes every Saturday, starting from 7 until 8 Eastern Standard Time. And once again, we have a number of our bishops who are on the line. Bishop Leslie is with us. We appreciate that. He was our former bishop, and we have other bishops who are actually listening in as well. So it's a growing thing, and hopefully you'll be a part of that. Okay. Oh, and also on the agenda here, Sister Patrice Smith. We thank the Lord for her. And And our title was The Power of Love in Ministry. It really doesn't make a difference if one doesn't have love.
Right.
I mean, it can be effective, that's true. But on the part of that individual who is ministering, if they don't have the love, God discounts it. He says it really is nothing. And so that's in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. You don't have this handout, but this is one of our lessons that we're going to be teaching in October. And I think it's October the 10th.
I think they have that. We have.
You got this? Okay, take a look at this then. This is an actual Sunday school lesson. I'm so excited about it. You know, like Union Gospel or International Publishing House or UPC or whoever. This is our version of it. I mean, this is our Sunday school lesson. It's not as, fancy, and it's not in book form or anything like that. And you know who authored this? Sister Patrice Smith. I think it's great. We asked her some years ago if she would do that, and she just put it together, and we proofread it and that. And so this is, so in October the 10th, I think it is. I think that's that Saturday. She will be teaching this on our Saturday night Sunday school line. So hopefully you'll be a part of that. You can keep this, of course. Dr. Pfeiffer, you with us? I'm going to give way to you. Just tell us just a little bit about our ETA. Okay.
Yeah. Praise the Lord, everyone.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord again.
Praise the Lord.
So glad to see everyone. Are you enjoying the convention?
Yeah.
I was thinking about it. Brother Wilson was talking, and he was saying about Bishop Leslie listens to the Sunday school every time we teach. And every time I teach, he'll send me a text. So I'll be so nervous if I do good. And I'll be waiting for that text. And it has come every time. So I thank y'all. I just admire him. So he loves to listen to the Sunday school. I just thought about it when Elder Wilson had mentioned that. So thank God I've always received that good text. So thank the Lord. So what I'm here to talk about, I'm Dr. Rita Pfeiffer. For those who do not know me, most of you probably do. I am the International Coordinator / Dean for the ETA program. How many heard of the ETA program? Only Teresina. Well, all right. I got my work cut out for me. Okay. So, equipping people in your church and in ministry is vital. You must have someone that is able to speak for you. Let's say the pastor has to go out of town, someone gets sick. There must be someone else in the congregation that is qualified to take their place. So the ETA, which is the Evangelical Association Training Program, is also known affectionately as the what? ETA program. Now the ETA courses, they're organized into specific areas of study. And these study areas are: we have the Bible and biblical doctrine. We have it could be church ministry skills, leadership skills, outreach skills, and creative resources provided by many presentation options. So this is a very important course, and it is very exciting. And those of you that will be here on Monday, we have our graduation at 9 a.m. on Monday. Oh, you won't be here?
I'll be here.
Okay.
Graduating.
Okay.
That'll be awesome.
Are you graduating?
No, I said I will not be graduating.
Oh, you won't be? Oh, see,
I'm not in the class.
that's going to give you something to look forward to. And this is how the ETA program works. Okay? All instructors, they must become an ETA approved instructor. So which means you can't just come up here and say, Dr. Pfeiffer, I want to teach tomorrow. Oh, these guys, they don't like that.
Okay.
You don't have to.
No, okay.
No, you can't just come up here. Deacon Claxton and the rest of the board is gonna, Patrice and Elder is gonna have to approve you. So you have to be qualified to what? To lead. Okay, so who can that be? Can that be just a bus driver or who? No. It could be a pastor. You could be a director of a Christian education program. You could be a regular teacher that knows how to teach the word of God. You could be an experienced teacher, and so on and so forth. So we will help you get where you need to go. And as you join the ETA program, in different states, we also have actual classes in different particular states. Not in every state, but in some states. And also, it's online. Somebody say online. Yeah, online. As our presider talked about this morning, thank God for it being online, because there's not a specific class in every state. So are you excited about this program? I know you are excited. You are excited. So the student will progress through this program. And what happens is you take all these particular courses, and you can do it. This is the, wait, don't tell me I told you this. This is the greatest part about it. You can do it at your own pace. So like at a regular school, you don't have to have it done by August the 15th of 2022. You can do it at your own pace whenever you want to, however you want to do it. So isn't that great? Yes, that is great. So as you progress through the program, upon completion of that program, you got to complete it how? Successfully. You can't just take the courses and we're going to check you off and say, okay, you took it, it's good. We actually check your answers. We actually check your test and make sure everything is correct. So as we go through this program, when you complete the course, you are given a certificate. And there are 2 tiers to this certificate. The first one being the standard courses. And then let's say you may say, well, I want to teach Sunday school. I want to really get out there in front of the people. Then we're going to have to go a little further than the standard. We go to the advanced courses. And the advanced courses is a little bit more in depth. With the regular standards, you get a basic Bible knowledge. But when you get into the advanced course, that's where you get more in depth, a little bit more. That's why you put away, I just said this way, where you put away the milk and stuff. Right. You really get to going. So as you get those 2, and then like I said, on Monday, you will see how that's going to work. Because we're going to actually have people graduating with their cap and their gown. We're going to have on all our armor. So we're going to be so excited. So it gives the students something to be so excited about. And this is serious. This is a real graduation. You're going to have on your real cap and gown. And if you scholastic, and you get, like in school, you get what, like the honor roll thing, the honor stuff and all that they put on you. We actually have that too. So if you actually, get out there and you do real good, you have your little satchel on too. So it's going to be so exciting. So exciting. See, I'm excited. So after you have successfully completed all of your courses, you will be perfectly qualified to teach Sunday school. Can you imagine that, Sister Teresita? Oh my God. Sister Teresita going to be teaching Sunday school. Oh my God. But this course is not going to give you a ministry license. So that's like another program. You guys know they were talking about that earlier. So that's another program where you actually get your minister's license. So you won't get your minister's license here, but you get your certification to teach little Sunday school. And you'll know about the Bible. And your children will be so proud of you, and your grandchildren, your husband, and your family. Isn't that fantastic? Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that.
You're not being a preacher.
Yeah, no, they don't make it a preacher. That'll help you with teaching. You gotta go to that ministry course to get your
Get your foundation.
yeah. This will help you with your foundation. Sunday school is where you get your foundation.
Right.
I'm gonna throw this in. Sometimes Sunday school is where you get your husband.
Oh, wow.
Look at ladies.
Oh, we're coming to something.
Really? Because that's why I got mine at. I walked in Sunday school.
All right.
I walked in Sunday school, and my husband said I had been praying for months and months and months, all night prayer for the Lord to send me a wife. And he was Bishop Piper. He was just a minister then. He made it all the way up from minister to elder, Bishop Elder,
Sunday school.
And he said, I have been praying all night prayer for a wife. Lord, send me a wife. And he didn't want the sisters in the church, He didn't want the sisters in the church. So he said, Lord, send me a wife. And I walked in the door, and he said, the Lord said, there she is. And he pursued me, and kept giving me all that candy. And I don't know if any of you guys know it.
He's so sweet.
Yeah, so all of that happened where? In Sunday school. If I had an offer for Sunday school, I probably might not be married, right?
Right.
And this December the 5th will be 41 years.
Go.
That we have been married. Yeah, 41 years. This December the 5th. We
Yeah.
raised 3 daughters, 40, 35, and my baby will be 30.
Man.
Yeah, so all of this happened.
So
because
Sunday
of
school
what?
works.
Sunday school works. Sunday school works. Yes.
Two things, Sunday school and Steve's kids.
No. See, kids. So that will work. But so see how important Sunday school is?
All work together.
Just think it all works. Just think if I had not come to Sunday school, I may not have a man. Thank God. I got up early that morning, I have a man. Look it up. And so those of you who are interested, I'm just giving you a quick overview because I only was given a few minutes to talk. But if you have any interest in, I know you guys are really interested now, especially y'all little husbands. So if you're interested in the ETA program, you can contact me, you can contact Deacon Claxton. You know you can always go to the PCAF website, PCAFINTL.org. And you should go there anyway and look at our Sunday school display. It is fabulous. I was looking at it last night in the bed. It is absolutely fabulous. So you should go there and look at it. And I'm just, let's just give our honorable Deacon Claxton a hand. Everybody loves Deacon Claxton.
Yeah.
And you know, it's just something how a person can go through. I mean, I've been at PCF since I was a young girl. And I never heard one bad word about Deacon Claxton. You know that? And you know, in holiness, boy, that's a blessing. What? Nobody didn't talk about me. Oh, I know. Well, thank you all for this time. And if you guys want to know about the Evangelical Training Program, ETA, please go to the website and talk to the Honorable Deacon Claxton, there's Elder Wilson, myself, Dr. Piper, and
Man.
Sister Patricia Elder. Okay, thank you so much for your
Sorry. So I just wanted to remind everyone to do the survey. You can do the survey on the app. So if you go to the app, at the top, there's the 3 lines that are the menu. If you hit the menu, the survey is right there within the app. So just don't forget to do the survey. You can do it right now.